Hi everyone, today we're taking a look at the Stagg EKG and how you can use this awesome kettle to get the most out of your tea. This product was designed for coffee baristas by a San Francisco-based company called Fellow, but we found that the features are perfect for brewing premium loose leaf teas as well. We offer the Stagg EKG in 4 colors: matte white, matte black, polished stainless steel, and the matte pink with a maple wood accent. The kettle is made from premium 304 stainless steel with weighted handle for balance and a perfect spout designed to give you the most precise pour. Even though it has a clean minimalist look, this is one of the most advanced kettles on the market. As we've mentioned in past videos, water temperature is one of the most important factors in brewing a perfect cup of tea. The Stagg EKG lets you set your water temperature anywhere from 104 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. This wide range means that you always have the perfect temperature. No matter what tea you're brewing, the kettle can also hold your temperature for up to an hour. This is great if you want to enjoy your tea over multiple infusions. With the temperature hold setting, you don't have to worry about water going cold. The kettle also has a built-in brew timer and the ability to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. It also heats water very quickly thanks to the powerful heating element. Let's take a look at how to use this product. Before powering on, make sure there's at least 1 inch of water and that you don't fill the water above the maximum level. It's important to fill the kettle with water before placing on the base. Otherwise, it can overheat and permanently damage the pot. To turn the kettle on or off, simply press the knob once. Make sure it's your preferred unit of measurement by changing the switch in the back from Fahrenheit or Celsius. To set the kettle's temperature, rotate the knob until your target temperature is displayed. After a few seconds, the kettle will begin to heat. The set temperature will now display in small type at the top of the screen. The current temperature is shown in large type in the middle of the screen. You can adjust your temperature at any time rotating the knob again. All teas taste different when brewed at different temperatures. For our recommendations, search for your tea on our website and click the Brewing Guide tab. Once your kettle reaches its target temperature, it will maintain that temperature for 5 minutes. Then enter standby mode for 15 minutes before powering off automatically. For example, if you set the target temperature to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, once the water reaches 180 degrees, the kettle would maintain that temperature for 5 minutes. However, if you're planning to enjoy multiple infusions of your tea, it's best to use the kettle's hold function. On the back of the base, turn the hold switch on. The top of the screen will now display hold. In hold mode, the kettle will keep your water at the set temperature for up to an hour. In this mode, simply place the kettle back onto the base at any time to bring the water back up to your target temperature. Another feature of the kettle is its built-in brew timer. To activate the timer, press and hold the knob. The screen will count down from 3 before the timer begins, so you know when to start pouring. In the timer mode, the top of the screen will display the kettle's current temperature. To deactivate the timer, simply press the knob once. The Stagg EKG takes the guesswork out of tea brewing, giving you full control over your water temperature and the flavor of your tea. With its temperature hold and timer functions, it puts everything you need in a convenient place. As with any electrical appliance, make sure you read all the safety instructions included with the Stagg EKG before use. Remember to click the like button if you found this video helpful and comment below if you have any questions. To learn more about the best methods for brewing tea, subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit us at redblossomtea.com.